guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to list or create a form of some people biography. I don't know, but we are going to create something that is cool only with 2 lines. I'm using FSCMD as like before, because that's my programming language. Okay, so what you need to do is list what data that you need. For example, I call this as my data. This is a variable that you need to call in for statement. Okay, in for statement we use data my data. Okay, since list my data is nothing, we can add name, age, and gender. This is name, age, and gender. I don't know how to spell age because yeah, don't worry about it. So this is the looping, where this is as data, and this is what data you are in. In Python, this is similar as this, but we don't use Python. So after this, we should create the command. Yeah, the third argument for is command. For data, in my data, do var. This var is create a new data and return the command like this. For example, if I if I use like this, var the input value and input this. Okay, so if I type, so the input value will be type. If you don't believe me, you can try this at home. See? Okay, so this is var data. Yeah, data is name, age, and gender. Yeah, because this is iterating from my data list. For data, sama select input what is your data. Yeah, this is the 2 line, but we need to print the data form. How we can do this in the command prompt, but we are going to see, but we are going to just execute the text FCM first. So I said import this operator is import all the same directory. Yeah, you can oh my god, import and load is not same, since the FSCMD file is in the same directory as text FCM, so I can use import this. Okay, back to the script. See this for data input. What is your name? This is what is your name. My name is Faran. See, what is your age? I am 12. I'm male. Where does the data? How do I access this? Easy, just use. Sorry. I pressed the wrong button. Okay, I need to do that again. Okay, to access the data, we need this type print. Okay, my name is Faran and age 12 years old, and then male. Sorry, gender. Okay, it's male. Since we are not going to use the command prompt, we can print out in here. Okay, so we need to import the text FSCM again. My name is Faran, age 12 years old, male. See, it worked. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I can see you again. Goodbye.